Let me tell you about a student named Marcus, 19 years old, no savings, living on campus ramen and borrowed confidence. He'd watched probably 30 make money online videos that semester. He had 4 business ideas saved in his notes app, and he had made exactly $0 from any of it. Sound familiar? Because that story, that exact cycle of watching, planning, saving ideas, and doing nothing, that is the most common story on the internet right now. And today, I'm going to end it for you. Not with hype, not with a fake income screenshot, with a real step-by-step blueprint that took Marcus from zero to his first $10,000 while he was still in school. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to do the same thing. Stay with me. This one's different. If you're new here, welcome to Rapid Millions. This channel exists for one reason: to give students and young people real, tested, no-fluff strategies for building income from zero. Hit subscribe if that's what you're here for. It's free, and it might genuinely change your life. All right, let's get into it. Here's the thing nobody says out loud. Most students who want to make money aren't failing because they're lazy. They're failing because they were handed the wrong map. And when you follow the wrong map, it doesn't matter how hard you walk, you end up in the wrong place. Let me show you what I mean. Right now, near you, there's probably a student working a part-time job. Retail, fast food, stocking shelves at midnight. They're showing up every single week. They're exhausted. They're grinding. And at the end of the month, taking home maybe $700, maybe $800 if they pushed for extra shifts. Work that job for a full year, 52 weeks, no vacation, and they still might not hit $10,000. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that job. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. But if $10,000 is the goal, trading low hourly hours for low hourly pay is genuinely one of the slowest, most painful routes to get there. And yet, it's what most students do, because it's familiar, because it feels responsible. Because nobody ever sat them down and said, hey, there's a faster way. That faster way has a structure. I call it the hustle hierarchy. And once you understand it, you will never look at income the same way again. Think of it as a ladder. At the bottom, time-locked income. This is any money that stops the moment you stop showing up. Hourly jobs, gigs, babysitting, delivery apps. None of these are evil, but they all share one fatal problem. You are selling your time, and time is the one thing you have the least of. Why would you sell your scarcest resource for the lowest possible price? Move up the ladder, and you reach skill-based income. This is where the game changes completely. Because when you have a real marketable skill, you stop selling your hours and start selling your value. And value doesn't have a fixed hourly rate. We're not talking $10 an hour anymore. We're talking $50, $100, sometimes $200 an hour or more for a student with no degree, no experience, no connections. How? Because businesses don't care how old you are. They don't care what your GPA is. They care about one thing. Can you solve their problem? That's the whole game. Now here's where it gets really important. Most students, once they get this idea of selling a skill, make one critical mistake that cuts their earning potential in half. They sell the right skill to the wrong people. Let me make this crystal clear with an example. Imagine 2 students, same skill, video editing, same quality work, same effort. Student A edits videos for small TikTok creators, people with 4,000 followers, no product, just posting for fun, charging $30 a video. Student B edits videos for an online business coach who sells a $2,000 coaching program. Same skill, same editing, but charging $300 per video. Same skill, 10 times the money. Why?
Because student B understood something fundamental. Businesses that are already making money will pay more money to make more money. That business coach, if better videos bring them 1 new client per month, that's $2,000 in revenue from a $300 investment. For them, paying you $300 isn't a cost, it's a return. And smart businesses always pay for a good return. So here's the rule I want burned into your memory. Don't sell your skills to broke people. Sell your skills to people who are already making money and need your help to make more. Now, before we get into the actual blueprint, I know what some of you are thinking. Okay, but what's my skill? I don't have one. You do. You just haven't been told to look for it yet. Drop in the comments right now. What's one thing you're genuinely good at? Video editing, writing, social media, graphic design, research, organization, even things you do on your phone at 11 p.m. just for fun. Drop it below, because I promise you, whatever you just thought of, someone out there will pay real money for it. All right, this is what you came for. The exact 3-phase roadmap that takes a student with $0, 0 clients, and 0 experience all the way to $10,000. Real phases, real timelines, real numbers. Let's go. Phase 1 is not about the money. I mean, yes, you'll make money, but that's not the point of Phase 1. The real purpose of Phase 1 is proof. Proof to yourself that someone, a real person with real money, will actually pay you for what you can do. Because here's what happens the moment that first payment hits your account. Something shifts permanently. You go from someone who wants to make money online to someone who has made money online. Most people never cross that gap. You're about to.
Here's exactly how Phase 1 works. Step 1, pick one skill. Not 2, not 3, 1. The number one reason students make $0 is because they try to do everything at once. Video editing, and copywriting, and social media, and design, all simultaneously. That is not a strategy, that is chaos. Pick the skill that feels most natural right now. The one you do even if nobody paid you. Start there. Step 2, set your price low on purpose. I know, you're thinking, shouldn't I charge what I'm worth? Yes, eventually. But right now, in Phase 1, your goal isn't maximum money. Your goal is maximum momentum. You have no portfolio, no reviews, no track record. So if you go out charging premium rates with nothing to show, clients say no every time. But if you say, I'm building my portfolio and I'll do this at a below market rate so I can prove what I can do, suddenly the door opens. You're not begging, you're making a strategic business offer. There's a massive difference. Phase 1 pricing, $50 to $150 per project. Keep the barrier to yes as low as possible. Step 3, find your first 3 clients. And I'm not talking about cold outreach to strangers, not yet. Your first clients are people who already know you. Think about who in your life runs any kind of small business, a local restaurant, a personal trainer, a photographer, a boutique. Text them, DM them, walk in and talk to them. Tell them exactly what you do. Tell them you're building your portfolio. Offer to help at a student rate. You need 3 yeses, just 3. 3 clients at $150 each equals $450 from people you already know, without a website, without ads, without any tools. This is exactly what Marcus did. He was a decent video editor, nothing special, just YouTube tutorials and practice. He texted a local barber shop he went to every month. The owner said yes. Then he reached out to a friend's mom who ran a fitness coaching page. She said yes. Then he messaged a restaurant he followed on Instagram. They said yes. 3 clients, 6 weeks, $1,100. His first $1,000 from his phone while attending classes.
You have proof now. You have testimonials. You have confidence. Now you stack. Phase 2 is about multiplying everything you built in Phase 1. More clients, higher prices, better systems. And here's the core mindset shift. In Phase 1, you were learning. In Phase 2, you are earning. First move, raise your prices immediately. Double your Phase 1 rates, no hesitation. If you were charging $100 per project, you're now charging $200. If you were charging $150, you're now charging $300. Your existing clients already trust you. Price isn't the issue when trust is established. Some of them won't even blink. Second move, upgrade your clients. Remember the rule? Don't sell to broke people. Phase 2 is when you execute that upgrade. Start targeting businesses in high-revenue niches. Coaches, consultants, real estate agents, e-commerce store owners, local businesses running ads and actively investing in marketing. 1 good client in a high-revenue niche is worth 5 in a low-revenue niche. Remember that. Third move, and this is the one most students completely overlook, start offering retainers. Instead of doing one project and moving on, Offer to work with clients every single month for a fixed monthly fee. Instead of $200 for one video edit, offer to edit 4 videos a month for $600. They get a deal, you get predictable income every single month. 5 retainer clients at $400 a month each equals $2,000 a month. Recurring, reliable, predictable. While you're still in school. That's phase 2. Timeline, 60 to 90 days of consistent effort. Now I need to talk to you about something real, because phase 3 is where most people fall apart. Not because it's hard, not because the system stops working, but because of something I call comfort creep. Here's how it happens. You've made $5,000. For the first time, you have real money. Money that didn't come from your parents. Money you earned. And it feels incredible. So, you treat yourself a little. You relax a bit. You slow down just slightly. Not because you decided to quit, but because the hunger that was driving you, that desperate, fired-up energy, it gets quiet. And when that hunger goes quiet, your momentum starts to die. Follow-ups don't get sent, new outreach stops. You go from building a business to just maintaining one. Maintaining is not how you get from $5,000 to $10,000. How do you beat comfort creep? Set your next target before you hit your current one. The moment you hit $3,000, not $5,000, but $3,000, set your sights on $10,000. Write it somewhere you see every day. Make it the obsession before the current one fades. Momentum is like a fire. It's infinitely easier to keep it burning than to restart it from cold. Now, here are the 3 actual moves of phase 3. Move 1, raise your prices again. By phase 3, you have a real portfolio, real results. You're not charging $300 anymore. You're charging $500, $750, sometimes $1,000 per project, depending on what you're delivering and who you're delivering it to. Move 2, add a premium offer. You're not just doing the work anymore. You're offering strategy alongside it. As a video editor in phase 3, you're not just editing clips, you're offering a complete content growth package. Editing, title and thumbnail strategy, performance tracking, monthly recommendations. That package isn't $300 a month. That package is $800 to $1,000 a month. Same skill, different positioning, completely different price. Move 3, the simplest one and the most ignored. Ask for referrals. After every single project, send a message. Thank your client. Then ask 3 words. Know anyone else? 1 warm referral from a happy client is worth 2 months of cold outreach. That new person is pre-sold. They trust you before you've even spoken. They say yes faster. They pay faster. They stay longer. 3 words, thousands of dollars. Phase 3 timeline, 30 to 60 days if you execute all 3 moves without slowing down. And at the end of it, you've done it. $10,000 as a student from a skill you already had with nothing but a phone and an internet connection.
Now, real quick, because I know some of you are already thinking ahead. Okay, I've made $10,000. Now what? How do I make sure this actually means something? This might be the most important thing I say in this entire video, because I've seen it happen. Student grinds for months, makes $10,000, and within 4 months, gone. Clothes, tech, nights out, impulse buys that felt important in the moment and meant nothing 2 weeks later. Back to zero, more frustrated than before because they know they can make the money, but it keeps disappearing. That cycle, earn, spend, back to zero, is not wealth building. That is a hamster wheel with better aesthetics. I refuse to let that be your story. So, here's what you actually do with your $10,000. Step 1, build an emergency fund first. 3 months of your basic expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account. Not invested, not touched, just there. Because here's what happens to people who invest everything with no cash buffer. The moment an emergency hits, and it will, they're forced to pull money out, sometimes at a loss, sometimes right before a massive gain. Foundation first, always. Step 2, make your money work while you work.
Once your foundation is set, take a portion and invest it. For students, the simplest, most powerful move is a low-cost index fund, something that tracks the S&P 500. You're not picking stocks, you're not gambling, you're buying a small slice of hundreds of the biggest companies in the world. And historically, over time, that grows at roughly 10% per year on average. $50 a month started at 19 at that rate becomes over $150,000 by the time you're 40. From $50 a month that you started as a student, that is compound interest, the most underrated wealth-building tool available to you. Start now, start small, don't touch it. Step 3, and this is the most important one, reinvest in yourself. A $50 course that teaches you one new skill that lets you charge $200 more per client, and you apply that to 5 clients in a month, that's a 2,000% return in 1 month. Show me a stock that does that. The most successful young entrepreneurs I know are obsessive learners, not because learning feels good, but because every new skill becomes a new income stream. Every new capability becomes a higher price tag. You are the highest returning asset you will ever own. Act like it. Okay, let me bring everything together because we've covered a lot today and I want you to leave with absolute clarity. Here's the full picture. You identify your skill, you enter phase 1, find 3 clients, charge strategically, get your proof. 4 to 6 weeks. You ride that into phase 2, raise your prices, land retainer clients, upgrade to better businesses, 60 to 90 days. You sidestep comfort creep by setting your next target before you hit your current one. You push through phase 3 using premium offers, price increases, and the 3 words, "know anyone else." Then you build your emergency fund. You start investing automatically. Even $50 a month compounds into something extraordinary. And you pour a portion of every dollar back into your most valuable asset, yourself. Here's what I want to leave you with. The perfect moment is not coming. There is no magical point in the future where starting feels easy, obvious, and risk-free. That moment doesn't exist. The only moment that exists is right now. This one, the one you're in while watching this video. So, here's the one thing I'm asking you to do before you close this tab. Open your Notes app, write down the one skill you thought of during this video, write down which phase you're starting from, and write down one action you'll take in the next 24 hours. Not a plan, not a mood board, one action, 24 hours. Then, drop it in the comments. Skill, phase, action. I read every comment on this channel, every single one. If I see yours, I'll reply personally. Because that's what this is, not just a YouTube channel, a community of people who are done accepting less than they deserve. And if that's you, you're exactly where you need to be. If this video gave you even one shift in perspective, hit the like button. It literally takes 1 second and it helps this reach more students who need to hear it. And subscribe if you haven't yet, because next week I'm breaking down a specific strategy most adults don't even know exists, perfectly designed for someone your age with limited time and limited resources. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you there. Your financial future doesn't start when you graduate. It starts the moment you decide it does. Let's go.